This is a Leica DMLP Polarizing Light Microscope with an EC3 high-speed digital camera, and I guess it says the type is 020520007 DLMP. This is actually in the listing, but I'm reading it out anyways. So it's got, looks like it's got 5 different lenses or 5 different plans. I don't know. But objectives, that's the word I was looking for. Thank you. A 5X PDL, a N PLAN EPI 10X, N PLAN 20X 40X and 100X. I don't know what the PLAN S 10X times 22 is, but that's the camera. Okay. Oh, I think that's the yeah, I see it. It says it right there. That's the viewfinders. Anyways, I got it hooked up. I got the EC3 hooked up USB-C or USB to a computer, and this is a pre-recorded slide we have here of a Lotus route, and I'm going to attempt to make it so you can see it. So right now I have. Can you read that? What does that say? That's 10X. So let's go to 5X real quick and see. So I'm going to click this over here to 5X. And that should come back up. That's the camera, so you can see that. That looks pretty clear. And then we're going to go back to the 10X. Takes a second. Looks pretty good. And then we'll flip over here to the 20X, which should be the next one. What are these? See. Yeah. There's the 20X. The next one should be the 40X. Yeah, 40X. A couple of these get kind of hard to see. They don't come in so great. Okay, so that one comes in blurry. So let's see if I can fix that.
Oh, no, here we go.
Yeah. Unfortunately, my eyes aren't necessarily what looks best on this screen because
It works.
There you go. And then I'm going to try the 100, but I have issues with the 100. I can't really seem to get that to work the way it's supposed to. Okay, so there's 100. And it comes out white, and we're too close in. And I don't know how to fix this one. I think I got to go out more. But,
yeah, here we go. Yeah, you missed it.
That's the story of my life.
It's just really fine.
Yeah, and I can't see it to adjust it that well. Well, that was the 100. And then we'll just flip back around to 5 so you can see we're back on it. And this is just LAS Easy software. We don't have the software, but it's easily found on the web there. Service date is 2/24, so it was in calibration. It's not. But I'll let you kind of see around this thing. It's in excellent shape. It came out of a state lab. It works as it should. Oh, I didn't see. Maybe is this the adjustment on the other side, or is that the same adjustment? Looks like the same adjustment, maybe. Or adjusted on both sides, and then this moves the table. Problem is these slides are a little smaller. But yeah, that's the unit. If you got questions, concerns, you want to ask me some more questions or anything else, let me know. Thank you.